A woman trying to help others now needs some help herself. She's running a community fridge program, and it's been going pretty well, but she says she needs donations and volunteers to keep it that way. Our Marcus Espinoza is live for us tonight in Fishtown with more. Marcus.
Hey Dawn, let me show you why we need more donations and volunteers. This fridge, it was full about an hour and a half ago. The freezer now empty because folks have already taken from it. It's a community fridge. It helps folks make sure they're eating and they have food, especially on cold winter nights like this. On the corner of East Palmer and East Thompson Street sits a small, bright yellow refrigerator in front of Castellino's Italian Market.
The food always gets taken, like right away.
And that's exactly what the fridge is for. It's called the Mama T Community Fridge. And since we first brought you this story in 2020, the project has grown.
We have over 18 community fridges all over Philadelphia. They're bright yellow like this one, so keep an eye out.
Dr. Michelle Nelson is behind the simple but powerful initiative. Jess Malazzo is one of several volunteers that help keep this fridge stocked and clean.
The Mama T Community Fridge Project fridges have a take what you need, leave what you don't mantra. And then we also get a lot of food donations from greater partners all over the city. So this fridge in particular, we get weekly deliveries from Riverwoods Produce. But then as a whole, we actually get 500 pounds of food donated a month from our Whole Foods partnership.
She says a big goal of theirs is to promote healthy eating as well.
We have some salads, we have some milk, a few peppers, a zucchini, and a pumpkin, and there's always some canned goods as well.
She said right now, in order to keep this mission going, she needs help from you, the everyday person.
So volunteering with Mama T is super simple and super fulfilling. I'm currently working on a once-a-week schedule. We love to work with people's schedules.
See, only little as much as a day a week. That's all you need to donate and give your time. Also, check this out. There's a kid's book, a children's book that's out that's about the Mama T Community Fridge. It teaches them the good values of giving to others. Proceeds of purchasing that book goes towards putting 18 more of these throughout the city, and why not? Because we could use them.
Absolutely. Great story. Thank you, Marcus.